and let's have a quick look at what the markets are doing, which stocks are trading, which stocks are buzzing, which stocks are tanking in trade. So obviously we are seeing that the benchmark indices, both of them have given up their morning gains. Now Sensex is around 150 points above, and morning it was about 300 points higher, so surely giving up its morning gains, trading around the 50,500 mark, while Nifty is also trading below the 15,000 mark, only 32 points higher. So surely some pressure building in on this afternoon, but still trading in the green, the benchmark indices. Talking about the broader markets on the other hand, they are underperforming. The benchmark indices down more than 0.5%, both the benchmark, the broader market indices. So whether it's mid cap or small cap, we're seeing some pressure building in over there. Talking about what is actually buzzing in trade is on the sectorial side, we do have the Nifty Bank and Nifty Financials, which have been doing quite well during the trade and trading in the green, but other indices and other sectorial indices are trading in the red. All of them under pressure. However, IT, pharma and FMCG sectors are highly under pressure. Energy index also down almost 2%. Now obviously we're seeing that oil prices have risen across the globe, and that is surely building in some pressure, as now the oil companies have not taken a price hike as of now because of that. So due to that, in the month of March, we're seeing some pressure building in on IOC, in the HPCL. Both of them have fallen as much as more than 1% in trade, and that is due to this pressure building in as they've not taken a price hike with the rise in oil prices recently. So moving on to BPCL also, which has been in focus, as the subcommittee of the board of directors have approved the sale of shares of the company which are already held by BPCL Trust. So we're seeing some focusing building in on BPCL today. The stock price is down as much as 4% in trade due to this report, and because of that, we're seeing the pressure building in on BPCL. Also in the morning, we did see that BPCL sold an entire treasury sale via block deal, raising around 7,000 crores, and let's keep an eye out on that according to these reports, and some pressure on the stock price. PSP projects also in focus. Stock is up as much as 2% in trade after the company has received an order of around 1,491 crores for construction of medical colleges as well as hospitals in multiple locations in Uttar Pradesh. So keeping some focus over there. Another company which is in a buzz today is JMC Projects, up as much as 16% in trade after the company is backed an order worth 1,000 crores. So surely positive signs coming in over there. Bharat Dairy also in focus. Stock is down as much as 3% in trade after the Securities Appellate Tribunal has directed the stock exchanges to process the company's voluntary delisting proposal as well. CSI is another stock which has been in focus. It's down on 3 to 4% in trade on the back of certain reports coming in for the company. So let's keep an eye out on that as well. And all these are the main stocks which have been buzzing in trade this afternoon, and markets a bit of a weak side and off the day's high. So let's keep an eye out on how the markets end in trade today.